Pull the hood release lever. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upward. Jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Pull the caliper off of the mounting bracket, then hang it with a piece of wire. Support the strut assembly with one hand while the upper nuts are removed. Support the CV joints and carefully remove the drive axle. Disconnect the electrical connections from the terminals on the starter motor solenoid. On 1.7-liter engines, there are 2 drive belts, both of the belts relying on manual adjustment tensioners. It may provide easier access for removing the alternator if the power steering fluid reservoir bracket